My name is Paul Vendetti. I'm an advisory industry consultant within the IoT division of SAS. SAS is the analytics leader in AI. We've been founded since '76, and we operate globally with a headquarters in North Carolina. SAS, again, uses a variety of AI techniques, and we work with data to help customers make better decisions, regardless of whether they're in manufacturing, oil and gas, utility, banking, government industries. Historically, manufacturers think of OEE as an important measure of productivity, quality, and things that keep predictive maintenance going well at facilities. One thing I'd like them to keep in mind is that AI can help with creating predictive OEE, so that you can get ahead of maintenance problems or quality issues, and that's where AI can play today. I think the landscape has got a lot of options today, and interoperability and connectivity is an important consideration. So they have a lot of choices, and I think the barrier is limiting that friction to integrate and interoperate with SAS or any other provider in the marketplace. And that's what we've been striving for, is remove those barriers, including using open source with SAS and interoperating with various sets of technology that already exist in the manufacturing environment. There's different systems. There's, in the industrial world, you'll find assets like pumps, motors, and various assets. Being able to integrate with the hardware and the software to bring the IoT data off the machine and being able to set that up to perform analytics, using industry protocols like MQTT, OPC-UA, Kafka, being able to have that interoperability with those kind of standards which exist today, and then be able to go into a platform that can perform AI is really important. So why does my customer care is they make better business decisions. They're able to not only take the IoT data, they're able to take their enterprise data, which could be documents on repairs and work orders, combine these two things and make better business decisions. So as you can see here, it's telling them what to do that's predictive, what they need to do to solve problems faster.